Once upon a time there was a lion who had an ass for a pet. Yes, you heard that right. A lion had an ass for a pet, and the ass was very lazy. He went up to him and said, "Hey, you lazy bum, why don't you ever want to go on adventures with me?" The ass replied, "I'm too tired. I just want to lie down and take a nap." They crept into the ass's cave, but the ass was still awake. "Ha! Ha!" he said. "You can't catch me." The lion and the crocodile were very surprised. They had never seen such a clever donkey before. The ass continued, "You might be strong and fast, but I am too smart for you." The lion was furious. He wanted to attack the ass, but the crocodile held him back. "Let me handle this," he said. The crocodile then started to speak in a low, slow voice. "You may be strong and clever, but I am too powerful for you." The ass started to get scared. He had never seen a lion and a crocodile team up before. He thought about running away, but he knew it was too late. The lion and the crocodile were too quick. In a flash, the crocodile had grabbed the ass in his jaws and was dragging him towards the river. The ass screamed for help, but no one came to save him. The lion watched as the crocodile disappeared into the water with his prize in his mouth. He knew that from now on, he would never have to worry about the lazy ass again. The lion was furious. He roared and said, "Well, from now on, you will do as I say." The ass just yawned and went back to sleep. The lion shook his head and walked away. Every time the lion went out hunting, the ass stayed at home. The lion walked up to the crocodile and said, "Hey, you want to help me get rid of this lazy ass?" The crocodile was very happy to hear this. He had been wanting to eat the ass for a long time, but the ass was too quick and would run away before the crocodile could catch him. "Of course, I'll help you," said the crocodile. "What do you want me to do?" The lion explained his plan and the crocodile agreed. The lion would bring back food for the ass and the ass would eat and sleep. It was very annoying for the lion. He wanted to go out and have fun, but the ass was always in his way. One day, the lion had enough of the ass's laziness. He went to a nearby river and saw a crocodile sunning itself on the bank. That night, the lion and the crocodile made their move.